Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to see how to automate drag and drop web elements using Selenium Java. Okay, so we will move to the web page we are going to automate. I am reloading the page. So in this page, we are having two boxes. We are going to move the box A to box B. So this is the thing we are going to automate using Selenium Java. Okay, so we can move to the Eclipse. So here I already created a Java class, so you can also create it. So and added a first line inside the main. So here we are having web driver equal to new Chrome driver. This will launch Chrome browser. Okay. If you want to open in Firefox, you can mention here like Firefox driver. Okay. So here I am currently using Chrome driver. So I mentioned like Chrome driver. So the next line is you can write driver.get and the URL. So you can copy the URL from the browser. I will mention the URL in the description also. So this is the URL we are trying to open. So now the first line will open the browser, Chrome browser. The second line will open the URL. Okay. So the get method, within the get method, we given the URL in double quotes. Okay. Now we will reload the page and find the XPath for the box A and box B. Okay. Here we have ID equal to column A for the first box. For second box we are having column equal to B. Okay. And the tag is dev tag. So what I will do, I will use ID by dot ID. Here I will mention copy and paste the column A value. Okay. So this is the value for box A. Okay. So I am mentioning here. Similarly, I will copy and paste the same line here. This is for box B. Okay. So now I will store a reference variable. I will mention like element 1 and element 2. So this is a web element. So if you mouse over on the element 1, you will be getting create local variable element 1. So click on that, you will be getting this web element. You can copy the same thing and paste in the second line also. Okay. So now we written the XPath for element 1 and element 2, that is box 1 and box 2. Okay. So now we are going to move the box A to the position of box B. Okay, so for that we have actions class. Using actions class we can perform this drag and drop. Okay, so write actions, and I will give the reference like act equal to new actions. In the bracket you can give driver. I'm passing this particular driver inside this. Okay, now I'm closing it. So if you mouse over on the actions, this is a particular thing provided by the Selenium for interaction. So you can import that one. Okay, this is the first time we are using in this particular script, so it is asking us to import it. Okay, so I am mouse over on the actions. After that I am getting import. Select this one, so you can see it is added in the top of the file. Okay, now write act dot drag and drop. So here we are having two options. I'm going to use the first option. So here we can see source and target. Okay, so I am having both the XPath. I know where to select and where to drop. Okay, so I can use this one. I have both the XPath, so I can go with the first option. If you are not knowing XPath, or you're not able to find that particular web element, then you can go for the second option. Okay, so currently I will go with the first option. So it automatically chosen element 1 and element 2, because I already defined it in the top. Okay, if you not defined it, you can define after act also. So I will take this particular line and add in the top after get. Okay, so it will be easy for you to understand. Now we have written this code. So if you run this code, it will not run. Okay, after drag and drop, you need to be always giving perform. If you not mention perform, that will not work. Okay, so don't forget this particular method. If you are not giving, it will not work. Okay, now after this I'm giving some wait time, then only we can observe the things that is happening, otherwise it will immediately get closed. So I'm giving 5 minutes wait time and closing the browser using quit method. Okay, okay, I'm saving this. Now clicking on run as Java application. Okay, can you see it moved from A to B? So I will rerun. Initially when loading, you can see the box as A, afterwards it is moving to B. Okay, so otherwise I will do one thing. Before this drag and drop is getting started. I will give a wait time, then you can observe. Okay, I am rerunning. So now you can observe A and B. Now it will drag and drop. Okay, that's all. So browser got closed. So today what we done is we have drag this particular web element and moved from here to there. Okay, so not only this one, whatever the element you are able to find using XPath or using any method given by Selenium, you can make use of this particular drag and drop, and you can move from one place to another. Okay, so we have another option also there, you can also explore it. Okay, thank you for watching.